Okay, I'm going to work in the temple area a bit, and I'm just going to point this through. I'm not going to make it really blunt or strong, just by using the points of my scissors. I'm going to make sure I maintain this length here, and just going to kind of point this through a bit. Just chopping it through, just getting all that temple area opened up, because we still want to keep it a bit soft. We don't want it to be completely strong. Now I'm going to blend it through from the temple area across to the fringe. Comb underneath my section. I'm just going to point this through. I'm going to take it down pretty short. Now this was that disconnected hair that we had, that we originally started with. Work again from the temple area across, just pointing through, pretty random-like. Okay, taking my sections down. These are all my disconnected pieces. I'm going to cut the fringe in, comb, lay the hair right into the comb, and point through. And I'm just going to go slightly longer here, because I want to be able to have it look kind of irregular looking. So you have these short bits underneath and some longer bits over the top. Again, when you work the fringe in, work it through the whole profile. Using the points of the scissors. And just point through. I really feel that the short fringe is really what makes this haircut come together. I mean,